Hi guys, welcome to this channel. It's your diary friend, it's Munachi, Crafty Mom. Today we're going to be doing a quick wall decoration with this. As you can see, it's already made. This to make our wall design, and it's going to come out looking exclusive. So I got this. I went to the art shop to buy some things for my design, and I actually saw this, and it was very cheap. It's 350 naira for a sheet, and it's very big for any design you want. So I decided to get it and make some decoration with it because already it's giving classy vibe. So let's see what we can do with it. Okay, I'll be mixing this gold sheet with this black sheet to make a very simple decoration that you can make at home without using any painting, without using any color. So let's start. So first thing we're going to do is to make a diamond shape, because I'm going to be using a diamond shape to make this design. So to be on a safer side and have equal shapes, so we're going to be making this to trace all of them out. So I've done this already, as you can see here. So you make as many leaves you want to make out of this with the same diamond to get the same shape and all of them being equal. So we're going to make this we're going to have these 18 pieces. Yes, we're going to be making this diamond shape gold leaf with 18 leaves, and the black one will be 12. So next step is to make your paper straws. This paper straw, you cut out your papers. I usually use old papers to make this, and I think it's more flexible and to roll or to manipulate. This embossed paper is actually strong, so while making yours you can use old papers and make your paper straw. So this paper straw, you'll be making as many as I made. Two paper straws with this embossed card. So I later changed my mind. I used my old books because it was much more easier for me to roll. So here are the ones I made with my old books. So next step we're going to be doing here is to attach these leaves that we've made on the straws, like I'm doing right now. So first thing you're going to do is to make your longest leaf. That is, I think the longest leaf here is the one with 5 leaves. So you have to make the straws to be long enough to hold the 5 leaves. So this is what I'm doing right now. So this is it, and the next one we're going to be doing is the one with 3 leaves. So we're going to be making it by numbers, and I'm going to be making it gold and black. So the gold in the center and the longest is 5, while the next one should be 4, but we're going to be making that in the black leaf with the black leaf. So this is what I'm doing right now. Okay, Next step is to do the number one, the one leaf, which is this one. So each leaf is paired like this. The only one that is single is the one with 5 leaves, but the 3 leaves is also paired. So now we're going over to the black leaf to assemble the leaves. We're going to be repeating the same thing we did with the gold leaves, but different numbers. So the black leaves, I'm going to be doing the one with 4 leaves and the one with 2 leaves. So initially the gold leaf has 1 leaf, the one with 1 leaf, the one with 3 leaves, and the one with 5 leaves. So we actually made the total leaves we made is 1 to 5. So it's time to assemble them or to make the design I have in mind to make. So this is actually what my target is. So one with gold, the second leaf is black, the third one is 3, which is gold, and the fourth one is black, while the fifth one is gold. So we'll be using the same straw now to assemble them or to keep it as a support to hold them together. And it actually came out as a design. Like, I thought it was going to look ugly, but the whole thing came out as a design and I loved everything. So here we are using these straws to hold them or glue them together in order not to be apart. So I'll be repeating. So yeah, this is what we achieved. So I'll be repeating the same thing on the other side. So I'll be going with 4 leaves, that's the black, 3 leaves, that's the goldy, 2 leaves, that is the black, and 1 leaf, the golden. So we're going to repeat the same thing to hold it together. So this one I'm using as the hook. So I'm attaching this one as the hook support. So our design is almost ready. So now I'll be attaching my hook for mounting on the wall. And here it is, everything ready. So here I'm going to be putting this as a design on the edges of the leaves. We're done with the designs and now it's time to hang on the wall. So this is what the outcome of the design is. So tell me, are you going to try this? Is it a yes for you or a no? Do you think is beautiful? Are you going to try it at home? Indicate in the comment section. So my name is Ezbe Monachi, Crafting Mom. If this is your first time of tuning to my channel, do well to subscribe, like, and share to get more notification on DIYs, on home decoration, artworks, craft, anything handwork. I'm here for you guys. So see you next time. Bye.